Are you presenting in Google Slides and want to highlight part of your graph? Walking through data with a group and really want to point something out? Direct attention in Google Slides presentations in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to use laser pointer in Slides. In your slide mode, go to Present, then click Pointer, or just press the L key. From that point on, your mouse will be a trailing red circle to direct attention on a slide. So there you have it. Access laser pointer in Slides in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.